Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil. Da-da-da.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So I recently purchased from an app called Smitten for some products, and I did a poll on my Instagram stories asking you guys whether you would like to see a haul and review video, and most of you guys voted for a yes, and your wish is my command. So today's video is going to be a Smitten haul, and I'll also be giving you honest review about the products and my overall experience with Smitten. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Let me start by giving you a little bit introduction about Smitten. Smitten is India's largest platform where you can shop for almost 500 plus brands across various different categories, and that includes luxury brands as well. It is a well-known app for buying free trial products from a lot of different brands. When you open the app, you will see two sections. One is trial section and one is shop section. From the trial section, you can buy the trial products. Now mind you, these are the sample size products, so they will be mini in size. And from the shop section, you can shop for the full size products, and on the home page there will be a lot of different brands and a lot of different categories, so you can browse through any of them and find the trial products which you want and add that to your cart. Now this is all about Smitten. Now let me tell you how Smitten works. Like any other app, you need to register on Smitten. I'll be mentioning my referral code in the description box below, which you can use while registering. Once you register, 6 trial points will be updated in your account, which you can use to shop from the trial section. Now how this works is each product is worth some point. For example, some products are worth 1 point, some are worth 2 points, some are even worth 6 points. So for example, I buy 6 products which are worth 1 point each. So in that way, I'll be buying 6 products and 6 points will be redeemed from my account. You can buy minimum of 1 and maximum of 6 products. But to make the most out of the deal, I will suggest you guys to buy maximum of 5 to 6 products, and I'll come to that why. But before buying, read the reviews which are there, because there are so many different brands. Some are local, some are which you are not even heard of, and you need to read the reviews to see if it has worked for people or not, and then you can make the decision whether you want to buy that trial product or not. Once you add the products to your cart, be it 1 product or 6 products, you have to pay an amount of 199 rupees, which includes the GST, and that is why I was telling you to try to buy maximum of 5 to 6 products. For example, if you buy one product worth 6 points and the sample product is costing for 99 rupees, then you are ending up paying 199 rupees and you are in loss. So if you want to make the most out of the deal, try to buy maximum of 5 to 6 products. Now you will ask me, I am paying 199 rupees. How are these free trial products? Because you get this 199 rupees as cashback, and the cashback is in two form. Either you will get 6 trial points or you will get 199 rupees credited to your Smitten account. And if you ask me, I'll suggest you guys to go for the 6 trial points as cashback, and I'll give you a reason why. If you opt for 199 rupees as cashback, then that amount will have a validity of 1 month, which means you need to buy a full size version product from the shop section in that 1 month only. Otherwise that amount will be deducted and you will be in loss. And there is a limit in which you can spend it 199 rupees. It's not like I'll buy something from the shop section for 200 rupees only, and that when 199 rupees will get deducted. No, it doesn't work like that. Only if you buy something for 799 rupees, then only that 199 rupees will get deducted. And otherwise, if you opt for the 6 trial point, there is a validity, there is a lifetime validity. So it's not like you have to shop from the 1 month, 2 months only. You can shop whenever you want, and there is no amount limit, and you can follow the same procedure which we are doing right now. And that is why I was telling you to opt for the 6 trial point. One more thing I want to tell you guys, that if you make online payment, then the cashback, whether it be 6 trial points or 199 amount, will get immediately credited to your account then and there. But if you opt for COD, then once your product gets delivered, then only the trial points or the cashback will get updated to your account. So yeah, keep that in mind. Regarding the delivery, I ordered from the app on 18th of June and I got my package delivered on 22nd of June, which is like 4 days, which is really great, and I got my package delivered really quickly. Now when the package came in, I was surprised to see the mini sizes, and they have mentioned on their app that when they are showing the product, the image is just for representation purpose. This is not what you will get the actual size, and even in the reviews there is no such image section, so you don't really know what the actual size is. But when the products came, they are so cute and mini, and they are sample sizes, so they have to be in that size. You are not buying the full size version, so you just keep that in mind before shopping from the trial section. One more thing I did when the products came in is to check the expiry date. It is not like they sent expired products or something, but I read some reviews that some of the products were expiring in 1 month or 2 months or 6 months. So I checked the expiry date. Regarding my products, there was not something, the case was not something like that. But if your product is expiring within 1 or 2 months or 6 months, you can finish that product on priority basis, and they are anyway sample size products, so you will have no problem in finishing them early. So I just wanted to tell you guys that. This is all about Smitten and how it works and whatever I guys wanted you to know. Now we'll move on to the haul and see what all I got, and I'll also be summing up my overall experience and giving you few advices before shopping from Smitten. What are we waiting for? Let's see what all I got. I bought a total of 5 products, and out of the 5 products, 4 products are from the brand Plum. And the first product is this Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash. This range is so raved about, and I don't know why I never gave this range a try. This is said to be great for oily and acne prone skin, and I always wanted to try this range, but it just never worked out, and I'm so happy I finally got this product, and I just can't wait to use this face wash and see how this works. And if this ends up working, if any of the products, sample products end up working, I'll definitely buy the full size version. So yeah, this is the one product I got. The next product is also from Plum's green tea range, and this is this green tea alcohol free toner. This is such a cute package in such a cute bottle, so travel friendly, and people have such nice reviews about this product. They have said that it has worked on their acne, and I have some active acne on my skin right now, so I want to try this and see if it works. And I was anyways looking for a good toner, and I finally bought this, and I just can't wait to try this out. The next product from Plum is this Illuminance cleansing balm. People have talked so much about this. They have even compared it to Clinique's Take the Day Off cleansing balm, which is the OG, a cult favorite, and this one is said to be the cheapest makeup balm available there, and just can't wait to try this out. And I will try this out right after I finish filming this video, and I just want to see if this removes my makeup well or not, and if this breaks me out or not. I just want to see, and this is such a cute, nice packaging and a good trial product, and yeah, I just can't wait to try this out. The fourth product and the last product from Plum is this Hawaiian Roomba shower gel. Now Plum's body range is talked about a lot, is raved about a lot, and this smells so divine, so tropical. I love this kind of smells, and I love the feeling of shower gels on my body. Like, I love how they make me smell, and this cute little packaging product smells so nice in itself. And if you're going for the trial size products, definitely buy this. This is worth 2 trial points. But you know, shower gels, yeah, I love me some shower gels, and yeah, I am so happy I got this. The last product I bought is this Scent Botanica Pro Keratin and Argan Oil shampoo. This is free from paraben and SLSs, and this is meant for color treated hair, and me and my mom both have that kind of hair, and I'm currently using the L'Oreal shampoo, but I wanted to give some other shampoo a try to see how it works on my color treated hair. And this one also had a conditioner with this, but I didn't bought the conditioner because यार ना मेरे से conditioner खत्म नहीं होते, so I just bought this to try this out. And this is such a cute little packaged product. Every product here is that only because there's sample sizes product, but yeah, definitely buy this one if you're looking out for shampoo for color treated hair and you just want to try some other shampoo. Give the sample size a try. Now there was an offer going on that if you buy something from the trial section, you will get a free gift, and there were a lot of different options for free gift to choose from, and I went for this Sheer Secrets facial mist. One of them is in the lavender variant, and one of them is the rose variant, and I love me some facial mist. I love using them on my face when my face is feeling dehydrated, and it is a good option because you will have 2 more products to try, and these are such cute little bottles. You can even use them once the product gets over as travel size bottles. I do that a lot. That is a great hack. So yeah, this is the last thing. So yeah, that's all what I got from Smitten, and to sum up my overall experience, I had a great one with them. I had no issues in shopping, in delivery, and the products were what I expected them to be. And the whole concept of trial products, the sample products, is so great. In the West, you get a lot of sample sizes products to try. In India, the concept is not that much famous. Brands don't give out sample products that easily, but it's a great way to try out a product and to see if it works for you or not before buying the full size version. So you save a lot of money, and I will 100% recommend use Smitten, but shop for the trial section first before buying the full size version. That's what this app is famous for, and just go for it. I'll give you a few advices. Try to shop for maximum of 5 to 6 products if you want to make the most out of the deal. I already gave you the reason. The second advice is read the reviews before buying the product, so you will get to know if the brand is worth it or not, because there are a lot of different brands. There are some local brands which you have never heard of, and if it ends up working for you, it is a nice thing. The third thing is opt for trial points as cashback instead of the 199 rupees amount until and unless you want to buy something from the shop section, a full size version, opt for the amount, otherwise opt for the 6 trial points. The last advice is check the expiry date of the products once it gets delivered to you. In this way, if the product is getting expired in 6 months or 7 months, you can finish that product on priority basis. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give this video a big fat thumbs up and also comment down below and let me know if you have ever shopped from Smitten and what is your experience with them. And if you have any video request for me, leave that in the comment section below and I will definitely bring that idea to you guys. And if you're new to my channel and if you like what you see so far, hit that subscribe button. It will mean a lot to me, and I will see you guys with a new topic in my next video. Bye.